Hola a todos! Welcome to this Spanish food quiz. How do you say octopus in Spanish? Pulpo. How do you say Spanish omelet in Spanish? Tortilla española. How do you say fried squid rings in Spanish? Calamares a la romana. How do you say garlic prawns in Spanish? Gambas al ajillo. How do you say spicy potatoes in Spanish? Patatas bravas. How do you say Iberian ham in Spanish? Jamón ibérico. How do you say seafood paella in Spanish? Paella de marisco. How do you say anchovies in Spanish? Boquerones. How do you say ham croquettes in Spanish? Croquetas de jamón. Muy bien! Let me know your score in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more fun Spanish content. Hasta pronto!